the space of 4, 1, 2. Now I'm 5. Now I come to Emirates. Look at this, my friend. Here they are cleaning the capybara and the and here capybaras live in the rainforest. These are like wild. These are like capybaras, but they are actually not capybaras. And there you can see some unicorns there for that. And here. You don't see that because they're right there. What are these things?
For today, together with my partners here, Mr. Dumi and Mr. Mandela, okay? Today you are going to learn a little while sit having fun with our elephant friends. But before we begin, just a little safety announcement. Those elephants are extremely strong, so please remain seated and always keep your eyes on your beautiful feet, okay? Okay, you know how many stars that we have today? Anyone have any idea? How many stars? 2, right? 2 or 4? Yeah? You know their names? 2, right? You want to see our stars now? Yes? Anyone want to see our stars?
I want to.
You want to? Okay, now let's meet our stars. 2 amazing Asian elephants living here at Emirates Park Zoo. Please everyone say hello to Madu and Radha. Hello Madu, hello Radha. Come on Madu, come on Radha. Hello Madu, hello Radha. Radha here on our right hand and Madu on our left hand. Hello Madu, come on girl. Yeah. Madu here on our left hand is 48 years old. And Radha on our right hand is 53 years. Can you imagine that? Elephants, by the way, can live between 60 to 70 years. And they are 2 Asian elephants. And we have 2 main types, or 2 species of elephants. We have the African elephants and the Asian one. You know why you are so lucky? Because for sure we don't have rocks here. We have this ball. Are you ready to catch that ball from Madu? Yes? Let's see. You wanted to see how Madu can lift very heavy objects? But this time with the ball? Okay. Let's see how Madu can lift very heavy objects. And here Madu up. You are not ready, right? You want one more time? But be ready, please. If you are ready enough, put your hands up and say Madu, 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 Madu. Yeah. Why was it? Yeah. And that's the aggressive behavior for elephants. Yeah. Come on, the ball hit you, right? Come on, yes. Okay, ready now to see something very unique? Yes? Yeah, come on, come. Yeah. Very good. Yes. Okay. You will throw it very slowly. Throw it like a basketball. Yeah. Very slowly. Yeah. Very good. Everyone is ready right now? And Radha up. You can take the ball from Radha. Come closer, yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah, how was it, please?
Take one.
Napkin. Here we go to Chinese place. What did you say you said? And here we go to the anaconda. And we got the snake there. And we fight one. I can't see these ones. Where are they? There's nothing here. Where are they? That's not outside. This is the Oscar time. Like if you put the ground in Oscar time, it will come and bite you. So if you don't, it will not come to bite you. If you do that, immediately come to bite you. Without water, I see what she has. And do you enjoy your video? Like and subscribe. Bye!